Was your flooring damaged in the recent storms that came through the Chicagoland area? If so, no need to worry. At Show Flooring, we can help you with your project. We have an amazing selection of in-stock flooring, and whether you're purchasing it by the box and doing it yourself, or if you hire us for our professional 5-star rated installation services, we are going to get your flooring looking brand new, like nothing even happened. All right, so when weather damage happens, you've really got two main options when it comes to your flooring. You can either, replace the existing flooring that you already had with something similar, whether, that was carpet, hardwood, or some kind of laminate, or you could be proactive for next time and get something that's going to be waterproof, durable, and there's no better option when it comes to 100% waterproof flooring, affordable, durable, than vinyl plank flooring. And here at Show Flooring, we have an absolutely amazing selection. Our glue down starts at 49 cents a square foot, and our click lock starts at 99 cents a square foot. But right up front, as you can see, we've been hovering around it. There is no better deal in stock than our Stainmaster Barnes Oak at $1.25 a square foot. Sale ends at the end of this month, so you got to get in here soon. But look at that. This retails for $3.49 a square foot. If you go to the big box store, you will be paying triple the price compared to here at Show Flooring. We don't want you to do that. We wanted to save you some money, so come down here. We got some more. We got some life proof. When it comes to withstanding against damage, 22 mil wear layer. Again, all the vinyl click, vinyl glued on, vinyl plank flooring. It's all 100% waterproof. This one is a click, and for $1.89, once again, you can see the comparable price of $3.48 a square foot. You are getting robbed if you go to the other big box stores. Now we've got so many options when it comes to vinyl flooring. Right here is our vinyl click aisle right here in the middle. And we got deals on deals on deals. We're always getting new truckloads of flooring. We don't have the big margins and markup of the other competitors because we sell volume and we keep our margins low, and that's why we're able to offer such great deals, because we keep selling fast. We don't sit on the product. We keep moving it, keeping our customers happy. Another big stack. Life proof right here. Crabtree oak. It's been a nice popular color recently. Another killer Stainmaster deal right here that we've got a bunch of. $1.49 a square foot. Check out the retail. We can't be beat on those prices. Not a chance. Yeah, and then so for some other, really durable and waterproof options, we got the porcelain tile. Really cool options. Polished, matte. And it's unlikely that you're going to do an entire house in tile. So if you want to go waterproof, you're going to do a mix of both. You're going to have your tile, your vinyl, but we've got it all, and we've got it ready for you here at Show Flooring. Yeah, so our polished right now is starting out at $1.19 a square foot, and then our matte finished tile is starting out at 59 cents a square foot. But we've got something for everybody, as you can see. And if you want to, just replace your existing flooring that was damaged, again, we can do that as well. We've got the whole selection of in-stock carpet. And along the back wall, we've got that hardwood selection. prices can't be beat for the type of quality flooring that you get here at Show Flooring. So many different options. But like I said before, it's up to you when it comes to what kind of action you want to take after you experience damage. It is unfortunate, but there's measures and types of flooring that we can provide that will make it a little easier on you next time if you do get some water during a storm or something like that. Or go for it and get that awesome flooring that you had before, and hope that it doesn't happen again. But yeah, thanks for watching.